I think we might have contact in again.
Who's going to run it?
That's it.
Contact, contact.
Get by successful. We now have 1-6 ahead and blocking. Contact. Slow it down, eh? Slow it down. Tango 05, 1-6 off. 1-6, confirm welfare.
1-6, okay, keep going.
This is attempting to strike the vehicle. Taking the second again, 846
Speed 100. Risk is medium at this stage. There is at least one tyre deflated on this vehicle.
Sure, I think he's still following. And passes still monitoring, so we can give it a bit of distance, can't we?
Wait for it to slow to the roundabout, boys. Just wait for it to slow to the roundabout ahead. Speed's now 60. Risk is temporarily 5. He's not got full control of his vehicle. Just remember the public vehicle ahead. Can you get by?
I think we might have contact in again.
Who's going to run it?
That's it.
Contact. Where can we stop? Younger arrest dangerous driving at the minute, mate. So that's the same thing, demand defence. You're not mentioning questions in the court. Anything to do so, I'll begin.